welcome back. So I am reviewing the wig from Asteria Hair. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below, so let's get started. As y'all can see, the hairline is already pre-plucked, so you do not have to go in and pluck her. She has 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 on the back, adjustable straps, and that elastic band for a glueless wear. Like I said, because she is pre-plucked, baby, I didn't have to pluck anything. Thank God. This wig is definitely lazy girl friendly because some days, y'all, I do not feel like taking out the curling irons. I barely like using my hot comb nowadays. Sometimes you just need a unit that you can just slip on and go. Just giving y'all a very detailed look of what that hairline looked like. I will be going in with my Ruby Kisses foundation. I will be putting that all on the lace. I will be using the Wig Dealer Lace Melting Spray. I actually want to apply this correctly, so I made sure I had read the directions on the back. I normally don't, and I just kind of use melting spray as is. I kind of disregard instructions and just go off of, well, if it worked for this one, it'll work for this one. No. The directions, of course, tell you to shake well, spray across the hairline, work in sections, start with one section, apply lace piece, and dry with a blow dryer on a cool setting. And of course, repeat every step as necessary. That hold is really good, and so maybe that's probably why certain sprays wasn't cooperating, because baby, I was not reading them directions. So I'm pushing back any flyaways because I am about to use the melting spray once again for that final hold. Like I said, y'all, use that cool setting. This is what she looks like after 10 minutes of it being dried down. With this being already pre-plucked and pre-styled, I just went on and just combed out those curls. This is still a lazy install, but I just wanted to cut some layers because she just seemed too one-dimensional for me. The layers didn't make too much of a difference, but I could see the difference. So I went on and just cut some layers in the front, in the middle, in the back, like just sporadically around the unit. And I feel like she came out pretty. So a quick recap of how I am feeling about this unit from Asteria Hair. I love how convenient this is for my wig wearers on the go, baby. If you wanted to wear her glueless, you can. She's already pre-styled, already pre-plucked. All you have to do is kind of add your complexion product and just put her on. Make this wig my spring wig. It's something about chocolate brown, number 4 units in the spring. I really love how it complemented my skin complexion. I would love to try a chocolate brown bob. That would be so cute. This color was just beautiful. The construction of this unit was up to par. I really did like the combs and the extra reinforcements as far as the elastic band and adjustable straps in the unit. Shedding was to a minimum and the tangling was to a minimum as well. Of course, she is long, so make sure you are using a wig brush. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.